Unit 11, Amazing Animals, Mega Goal 2.2. Writing Write a descriptive essay about a type of animal. Pages 178-179. What do you want to know about
76.
dolphins? What do you know
10.
about dolphins?
Writing.
All about dolphins. Dolphins are marine mammals that are claimed to have evolved from land mammals some 50 or 60 million years ago. Studies indicate that they are closely related to hippos, camels, and cows. There has been an unending debate on the exact origin of dolphins and whales that is likely to continue for years to come. There are 32 types of dolphins that live in saltwater. Dolphins eat about 20 to 25 kilos of fish per day. Their eating habits vary depending on the area and the time of year. If there is an abundance of fish, they will happily consume as much as they need. Interestingly, dolphins regulate their food intake according to the fat content of the fish available and their hunger. In this sense, they can probably control their food intake more efficiently than humans. Did you also know that their brains weigh more than ours? Dolphins can recognize themselves in a mirror, scan objects in the water using sonar, sleep with one eye closed, whistle and recognize each other by their whistles, go to a depth of about 260 meters. There is mutual interest between dolphins and people. They are as interested in observing us as we are in them. Dolphins love having fun, communicating, and playing. They are also keen on helping and supporting their own kind and other species that are in danger. The bottlenose dolphin is the most studied and familiar to people, with a life expectancy of about 40 to 50 years. Bottlenose dolphins show an extraordinary connection with humans and have rescued injured divers repeatedly. These wonderful creatures deserve our admiration and respect and need to be protected.
The origin of dolphins. Marine mammals that are claimed to have evolved from land mammals some 50 or 60 million years ago. Types of dolphins. 32 types that live in salt water. Eating habits. 20 to 25 kilos of fish per day. They regulate their food intake according to the fat content of the fish and their needs, special abilities. Bottlenose dolphins. More familiar to people. Life expectancy. 40 to 50 years. Connection with humans. Rescued diverse. Relationship with people. Connection with people. Interested in people. Have rescued people repeatedly. One, what are dolphins? Two dolphins and their eating habits. Scan and identify the topic of each paragraph. 3, the abilities of dolphins. 4 dolphins, and people. 5, the qualities of dolphins. 6, conclusion, the writer's view. Their eating habits. Dogs are friendly with people. Many purposes dogs could be used for EU. Their characteristics. G, they are loyal to their owners. G, their abilities. They have a fur. What have you learned about dolphins? This is the model text you have to simulate when you write your essay. Follow these steps when you write a descriptive essay about a type of animal.